Chalo, now we will just cut a piece of paper and I will use my pencil and eraser. So first, like I have a A4 size sheet. Now when we are going to start our work, we need a piece of yellow color paper first. Okay. If you don't have yellow color, you can also take any light color paper. And any shade of yellow can work. It can be lemon yellow, it can be chrome yellow, it can be dark yellow, or any yellow. Okay, now we are going to cut this sheet. So this is my full paper. I am just going to mark one line here. Okay, I am using my pencil only to get line. But how we will mark the line? I am going to check my finger. My finger is coming till here. So I will cut this much big line. So you also have to keep, see, this is my line which I am going to cut because this is the size of my finger. So you put your finger on your paper and where your finger can come, just mark a line there and cut a complete straight piece of that size. अपने पेपर का वो छोटा सा पीस आपको कट करना है. अपने फिंगर को स्ट्रेट रखो बेटा, ऐसे नहीं रखना है. This is the wrong way to do it. Right way, keep your finger on paper like this. Okay, now one more thing. I have a piece of paper. I'm taking the size of my finger and I'm folding this paper on my finger like this. Only once, okay? Okay, 2 to 3 times मत करना. So that's how I fold it. तो मेरा इतना paper बच गया. I'm going to cut this. Okay, one more thing. I am doing in this way. You don't do that. You have to take pencil instead of scissors. You have to mark the line, remove it, and then cut this. Okay. Now we will wear this. We'll take the size again. We'll make the roll and we'll stick it according to the size of a finger. So this is how I'm going to wear this. And after this, I'll just put a Fevicol in the corner. Putting this as sticking to my finger. We are done with this. Now we'll keep this aside. इसको side में रखेंगे. Now we need pencil. Now we'll draw a circle. Don't make very big circle. तो ये वाला हमारा circle draw हो गया. अब इसके बाद हम बनाएंगे सबसे पहले ear. Then 2 eyes. After this, we will draw one more circle at down side. उसके बाद उसका nose बनाएंगे triangle shape का और नीचे से उसको 2 parts में ऐसे divide करेंगे. I'm going to draw this with sketch pen now, so you all can see clearly. Is this clear? Finish. After this, we have to make 2 more lines. After this, we'll cut it. First, we'll cut the extra paper from this, then we'll give the After cutting this, we will paste this here at the top of, we'll apply Fevicol and we'll paste this here. And now I'm going to make the same pattern on the body also. Finish, check it. If it's not dry, don't wear it. Mine is dried, I'm wearing it. And this fits into my finger and my puppet is ready. Oh my god, I can't show you that. This is how my puppet is ready. So this is called a puppet finger. So let's make few more animals. Okay, if it's finished, we'll keep this aside I'm putting my pencil here side. Now after that, I need green paper. If you have green, you will use green paper. If you don't have, you can use any color paper. Now I'm going to put my this finger. I'm going to mark the line here. Then I will cut my paper. We'll mark the line with the pencil. We'll cut it. Process is same. I hope you don't have doubt in making the green one. So now we are making the same one with green color. So now done with the green one. Going to apply polycon and then do it. But you all know the step how you have to go for this finger one part, like the base, the body structure of this puppet. So just do this part so we can finish our all puppets. Finish with green color. Okay, now after finishing this, we'll make the puppet face. For making the puppet face, we will draw a semicircle first. Then we have to make a curve shape, a U shape at the top. We'll cut this. So this is the shape. I will draw the eyes. Yes, if you have finished this, now we'll paste this on the wall. And then I will just make some dot pattern on the body. So I'm done with my aluminum. Now we'll keep them aside. Now after this we'll make giraffe now. Same process, just apply it fast for the next finger. Face of a giraffe. Giraffe has some patterns on the body, so I'm making some pattern on his face also. We'll cut it and paste it. So I am going to draw 3 faces on the paper. So with whatever you want to draw, you will make the last face according to your choice. Okay? On the white paper, I will draw 3 this animal, but I will make one only. You have to select any one of them. I will draw 3 pictures. Okay? I have 3 options, so I will draw 1 and select any one from them. Okay, now let's start making. Very heavy, healthy face of hippopotamus. How we will draw that? First, we'll draw the C, then another curve from the side. then this line over you, and then this portion. Again, that's how we make the body of hippopotamus. Now we are going to make a rabbit. We'll draw a circle. We'll draw two ear, long ears. See, I'm making it very big, okay? Don't make that mistake. We'll make eyes, nose, putting hairs, some dots next to them. This is our rabbit. Then what was the last option? It was elephant, right? For elephant, we do the same process. Is this clear to everybody? I hope the faces which I made on the white paper is clear to everybody. If not, please tell me. I'll give black sketch pen border to them so you can see that. Or give me a minute, I'll just do it. See, I'm done with my four puppets. Like this. Yeah, now we can talk with them. Hello, how are you all?